You love it how I move you. You love it how I touch you, my one. When all is said and done, you believe God is a woman. And I feel it after midnight, a feeling that you can't fight, my one. It lingers when we're done. You believe God is a woman.
Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing this Ariana Grande God is a Woman. She's a woman makeup inspired makeup tutorial. I loved the way that she executed the video. It was perfect. I feel like Ariana Grande has a certain style to her makeup looks for her videos, but I feel like one of the looks was definitely a little bit different. It still was a wing eyeliner with the lash and, you know, her natural glowy skin. I just wanted to do something that you guys can wear, and then one that was actually from the video with the little paint marks and everything. Before we go ahead and get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and like this video if you like these type of videos. And yeah, let's get into the glamour. I went ahead and I have my skincare done. I have a video pre-filmed with the more in-depth kind of details with the skin, so I'm gonna go a little bit quickly with this one, so please stay tuned for that one that's coming up soon. For primer, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Flower in Your Prime Pore Minimizing Primer. It is a little strange because it is green tint. For foundation today, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the new Born This Way. It's not new, but the Born This Way foundation. This is one of the new shades, Golden Beige. I feel like this color matches me the best, and I'm going to take it on a Japanese Beauty sponge. Absolutely, I'm loving the coverage with the sponge, and this foundation is also super duper amazing. The makeup artist that did the makeup for this music video was Ashley Comb. Ash Comb, I will leave her Instagram down below. I got Josh did her hair. They both did such a good job. That's her go-to makeup look, which is, you know, just simple eye with a black liner, wing, and, you know, her lips. A little bit more with this look, and that's what I wanted to do this one instead of the other one. I am going to leave my No Tears Left to Cry music video because it does include that more simple look. It is midnight right now as I'm filming this video. Go ahead and do the brows. She has pretty straight brows. They're a little bit farther apart than the way I like them to do. So I'm going to try to stick to the straightness of the brow. But yeah, I have an eyebrow tutorial already up on my channel. If you guys want to check that out, I will also leave that linked in the description bar below. Okay? I'm gonna carve them out with my MAC Select Cover Up Concealer in NC20. You can see this is a big old difference. We do the other eyebrow off camera and we'll get into the eyes. I got the brows on the lid as well as some primer. This is the look we're going for. She kind of has like a really high like cut crease line. I'm taking my Nude Patootie palette and I'm gonna go in with the color Streaking, and I'm gonna take a really big brush, like a really huge brush. I'm gonna take this everywhere, and I'm just gonna I'm basically gonna set everything up here, reveal on this palette, and I'm just gonna basically layer her right there as well. I'm really not trying to have a prominent like brow bone shade since we are gonna cut the crease. I'm taking more of that reveal shade, and I'm basically just going to really define her right in that crease in the eye. And this is a MAC 224. 252 from MAC, and I'm going to basically carve out the lid. I know you can probably do this with eyeliner, but I'm not gonna cheat the way. The color that she has in there, it looks like a lavender color. I am gonna switch the palette, and I'm going to go into my Pastel Goth palette, And I'm gonna take the color Meow and a little bit of Skull. So now that we have this on the lid, I carved out a little bit more underneath where I put that liner. And I'm going to add a lid shade. Looks like a little shimmer. A mixture of Exposed and Au Natural. As soon as you get it to this point, I'm gonna go ahead and do the liner. And the eyeliner I'm using is the Pretty Vulgar, the ink. Honey, both of the eyes are finally done. Seriously, it took me a while. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Lily lashes in Miami. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the face. So for concealer, I'm gonna take the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is their newest concealer that they have come out with. And it's similar to Shade Tape is what people are saying. I've used this already once, actually really like it. It's thicker than the other Born This Way concealer. To set my face for today, I'm using the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. Ariana Grande isn't as round as I am, so I have to bronze and contour. She is a little bit, but she ain't that much, honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my new Morphe Lo-Fi 8L palette. And she is gonna go into the shade Glitterati and Donut first, and then I'm gonna deepen it up a little bit more with Debutante. And since these are actually really nice and they're a little bit more fair, I feel like I can get away with kind of blending it into my concealer. And this is a Morphe M527 brush. So I don't really see her wearing much blush, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of a blush that I have, but not really. This same palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Supernova. This is a nice little, like a little darker of a warm shade, and I'm gonna use it as my base highlight. And I'm using a fan brush first, just to kind of disperse this everywhere and kind of give it like an overall glow. Well, I'll apply this over the brow, kind of like that. Okay, and now with a smaller highlighting brush, and I'm gonna take the color, the shade Heatwave from Estee Lauder, and I love her. She is one of my favorite highlights. It's a little bit of a glittery highlight, but it's pretty. Put it right on top. It gives you that beautiful sheen glow. That's a woman. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face at this moment so I can add a little bit more. I'm gonna take the Flower Seal the Deal Long Lasting Setting Spray. I just finished contouring my nose. She's snatched, she is good. I'm gonna go back in with my Nudie Patootie palette and we're gonna do the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of connect the liner to the outer corner and the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the color Nakey Nakey. It does have some inner corner action, so I'm gonna apply the color Uncover in the inner corner because it looks kind of purpley. And then I'm gonna apply my lower lash mascara. Kylie Cosmetics Posy K lip liner, just to align my lips. Okay, I'm gonna take this gloss because it really reminds me of it. It's an Anastasia lip gloss in Saint Tropez. I think it looks identical. Went ahead and I took off that lipstick, or that lip gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Nude Thrill from Maybelline. It's my lightest nude because her lip color is really pale. I go back in with the Pastel Goth palette, and I'm actually gonna use my finger, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Meow and then a little bit of Skull. For the paint splatter, I'm gonna go ahead and use my dusty old water paints to kind of get this color. And it's basically like one line here. I feel like I might as well just use my finger because they're not like it's kind of messy. So here. And here's this look. It's super easy, super cute. You just gotta put your arms up, honey, and just gotta get into the fantasy. Cute. I like the messy strokeness. This whole thing was inspired by an artist on Instagram. I will leave their page as well down below because it was inspired by that. That's why she did this part as well, honey. And yeah. That is the entire look. This is the entire God is a Woman whole look. I gave you guys the wearable look and then this cute artistic, messy, whatever this you want to call it. I think it's super cute. I like it a lot. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys enjoy these type of videos. Like I said, I have more videos coming right to you. Let me know if you guys like the different background. We're changing it up, okay? And yeah, that's everything for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please download God is a Woman and Sweetener. Yeah, that's everything. I love you guys so much. Bye.